Hi children, welcome to Maths online class. Let us continue the chapter 10, Addition and Subtraction of Money.
In your previous class, you have learned that multiplication is the repeated addition of numbers. Ravi buys 4 pencils and cost of each pencil is 3 rupees 50 paise. What is the total amount to be given by him? Here, which fundamental operation should be used? Yes, multiplication operation. The cost of one pencil is 3 rupees 50 paise. The cost of 4 pencil is 4 rupees multiplied by 3 rupees 50 paise, 14 rupees. If we know the cost of one object and if we want to find the cost of more number of the same object, then we use the fundamental operation of multiplication. Let us solve the exercise 10.3. First one, a playing doll costs 45 rupees. What is the total cost of 3 such dolls? Let us write the statement. Cost of one doll is 45 rupees. Cost of 3 dolls 45 multiplied by 3. Here multiply 45 by 3 is equal to 135. Therefore, the cost of 3 dolls is 135 rupees. Second question. A packet of cooking oil costs 82 rupees 50 paise. What is the cost of 5 such packet? So here let us write the data. Cost of one packet of oil is 82 rupees 50 paise. Cost of 5 packet of oil 82 rupees 50 paise, that is 412 rupees 50 paise. Therefore, the cost of 5 packet of oil is 412 rupees 50 paise.
Children, when doing the multiplication of money including paise, do the multiplication as that of numbers. Keep the point after 2 digits from the right side in the product.
Now solve third problem. A man spends 95 rupees 50 paise for his daily food. Find the amount he spends on food for a week. Here write data in steps. Amount spends for daily food 95 rupees 50 paise. Amount spent for a week.
Children, you know that there are
7 days in a week. So we multiply 95 rupees 50 paise by 7. Here we start with multiply unit place. 7 into 0 is 0. So write as 0. Now 7 into 5, that is 35. 3 carried to the 100 place and write 5 in tens place. Now multiply 7 into 5 is 35 and add 3 carry. 35 plus 3 is 38. Write 3 carry to the 1000 place and write 8 in 100 place. Now multiply 9 into 7 is 63. Add 3, carry. 63 plus 3 is 66. Write in thousand place. So, keep the point of right side of 2 digit of product. Let us solve fourth problem. The cost of a book is 23 rupees 75 paise. What is the total cost of 5 books? Let us write data in steps. The cost of a book is 23 rupees 75 paise. We find out the cost of 5 books. 23 rupees 75 paise by 5. We start with multiply unit place. 5 into 5 is 25. So write 5 in ones place and 2 carry to the tens place. Now multiply 7 into 5 is 35 and add 2 carry. 35 plus 2 is 37. So write 7 in tens place and 3 carry to the hundred place. Now multiply 3 into 5 is 15. Add 3 carry. 15 plus 3 is equal to 18. So write 8 in hundred place and 1 carry to the thousand place. Now multiply 2 into 5 is 10. Add 1 carry. 10 plus 1 that is 11. So write 11 in thousand place.
So keep the point of right side of 2 digit of product.
Therefore, the cost of 5 books is 118 rupees 75 paise.
Thank you, children.